Hey, it's Coach Jackie again. I'm going to show you another stretch. This time it's your calf muscle. So basically, what I'm using here is a box, a step-up box. You can use it, if you don't have this at home, you can use a phone book, against the wall, or anything that will give you, allow you to, I'm going to move to the side, so I'm talking about anything that will allow you to lift up your foot. See how my foot is a little angle? So it could be a phone book, against the wall, or anything that will let you lift up your ankle or your heel, okay? So basically right here, I'm going to lean forward. Just basically I'm leaning forward like I'm picking up something on the ground, like I drop my socks. I'm picking up the socks. You feel stretch back in your calf muscle, okay? Be very careful. This muscle is very, very easy to get injured, okay? So take the time. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, okay? 10 to 20 seconds. You might feel it slightly in your hamstring too, but mainly you should feel it 95% or 99% in your calf muscle. I'm going to do it one more time on the left side, okay? So basically we're here. Left leg forward, right up the box. Keep my knees straight, and I'm going to lean slightly forward, like I'm going to grab something on the ground. I just drop, a quarter or something, pick up a quarter on the ground, okay? And then you should feel a stretch in your calf muscle. Of course, if you're doing it against the wall, you want to make sure you put your hand against the wall so you don't hit yourself forward. You hit yourself in your forehead against the wall, okay? So lean. If here's the wall, your feet against the wall, your hands are here so you can catch yourself. Make sense? And then you lean forward. You hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. I would recommend 3 to 4 sets for this stretch. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. I hope you enjoy this video and you find it helpful. Please like us on our Facebook page, follow us on our YouTube channel, and follow us on our Instagram page as well. Thank you and have a nice day.